Track number 5 on the album is motho, batho. I think this is my favorite song on the album. It's a song that I wrote about Black consciousness. I feel that a lot of us as Black people, we've forgotten who we are. We've forgotten where we came from, and we've allowed ourselves to be roped into other people's traditions, other people's ways of living, that we've forgotten how to go back to the soil, to the earth, to where we came from. So the song is truly just about taking us back to the times when the next person was your concern. Right now, it feels like we are all about me, myself, and I. We've forgotten motho. That's why the song is called motho, batho. It's a reminder that we are not here of our own strength, of our own will. There are people who came before us, who paved the way for us to be here.